Stephen here from INEXTERIORS Painters and Decorators, and you're watching INEXTERIORS TV. In this video I'm going to show you how we miscoat new plaster. Let's do this. First, what I like to do if possible is pull the lights out so we can paint around them and masking tape up the chrome sockets. Then when it comes to mixing the paint for the mist coat, I like to add 70% paint and 30% water. That should be adequate enough for the mist coat to seal the plaster. Just to let you know guys, this is a really tall ceiling. Okay, apply your watered down paint to the plaster using a good quality roller. If you want to purchase a good quality roller, please check out the link in the description below. I've chose to do the cutting in after I've rolled, and I've chose to do this just because it's the mist coat. When it comes to doing the other coats, I will cut in first. If you would like to watch a video on how to load your roller, please click on the card in the top right hand corner. For the mist coating, I am using a long pile roller sleeve. I'm using a long pile roller sleeve because it holds plenty of paint, but I am making sure I work it out really well because the new plaster does suck it up. That's it all mist coated, and it's now ready for a light sand down. And that is how you mist coat new plaster. If you've got anything from this video, please like, share, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of any future videos, and please feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you very much for watching.